What is my recommendation, for example, with the electric cars? The people say, no, I want a full electric car. No hybrid, electric. Because I am green. Okay, you are green, I understand. But let me explain something. You have your electric car, full electric. How much you paid? $80,000. Oh. Okay, we are going to do a trip in between Miami and New York. Me with my Honda Civic, gasoline, 1.5, and you with your full electric car, 80,000. All right? We start. And close to Port St. Lucie. Mr. Lopez, can we stop because the level of batteries in my car are down? I need recharge. Okay, guys. This gas station, no charging. 2 hours later, we found one place to charge. All right. Me in my Honda Civic waiting for him, 45 minutes, 1 hour. Okay. Now I am full. All right. In San Agustin, once again. How many times I need to stop in between Miami and New York to recharge?
A lot.
Oh, but you spent 27 gallons. Yeah, I spent 27 gallons, but no, stop, my friend. I stopped 2 times. No? You understand? All right. Okay, but I am green. Okay. Let me explain something. This is the car fully electric. Listen to me. I need to stop million of times, and I lose time, and it's not comfortable for your family for stop and stop and stop and stop. Okay, what happened? Because finally this car, I replaced in this electric car the gasoline engine or diesel for an electric motor, and the electric motor, AC power, received the power from an inverter, and the inverter have a good group of batteries, and those are the batteries that supply power for the inverter. This is the electric car. And you have a battery charger, and the battery charger is connected to the plug outside to charge the battery bank. That's it. It's simple. Okay, I have an idea. I want to convert that full electric car in hybrid. Oh, how is hybrid, Mr. Lopez? It's simple. It's the same electric car, but I am going to install, I know you are green, I know. Let me talk. I'm going to install in the trunk a small generator, those portable generators, little generators. And that generator, the consumption of that generator in between Miami and New York is 2 liters. Liters, no gallons, 2 liters. It's nothing, no? Okay, pay attention. I'm going to use my car, electric car, and when the level of charge in the battery bank decreases 20%, that small generator starts automatically. I don't need to start that generator, and provide power for the battery charger, and the battery charger recharge the battery bank. When the level of charge in the battery bank is close to 95, 98%, that small generator stops. I hear that the generator stops, but I am driving. And I hear in between Miami and New York that the generator start and stop each hour for 7 minutes, 10 minutes, and I don't need to stop. What car do you prefer, the hybrid or the electric car? The hybrid only, the consumption is 2 liters in between Miami and New York. This is not bad with the environment, no? It's a small generator, and the car now is comfortable, it's nice. I don't need to stop. What car do you prefer, the hybrid or the fully electric?
The hybrid.
The hybrid. I don't need nothing, because automatically that generator start and stop and recover the level of charge in the battery bank. This is a perfect design, no? This is the idea with the boats, the hybrid boats, exactly the same. Yeah, you need a small generator.